I picked a few eggplants in the vegetable garden today. We use eggplant. Let me share with you a different new way to eat. First, we cut off the eggplant pedicle with a knife. Then use a peeler to peel off the outer skin of the eggplant. In fact, eggplant skin is rich in anthocyanins. You can keep what you like, don't cut it off. After all peeling, we cut the eggplant into thinner slices. The thickness is about 8 mm. Don't cut too thin. It's too thin and doesn't taste good. After all are cut, put it in a larger bowl. Next, prepare a small bowl. Beat in 2 eggs. Then use chopsticks to fully slide the eggs away. Stir until you can't pick it up with chopsticks. We drizzled the stirred egg liquid over the eggplant. Then start again and give it a full grasp and mix evenly. Let every piece of eggplant be stained with a thin layer of egg liquid. After grabbing it all, add another spoonful of cornstarch to it. Add another spoonful of flour. And then you do it again and you grab it and mix it. It takes a little longer here. Make each piece of eggplant top can be evenly stained with a layer of batter. Add flour and starch. It can lock the moisture on the eggplant well. This will make the eggplant less oil absorbing. It will also taste better. Finally, just like in the video. Next, prepare 2 green peppers. Cut off its head and tail first. Then remove the chili seeds from the top. Then cut the green pepper into small pieces. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a few cloves of garlic. Slice the garlic first. Then change the knife and chop it into minced garlic. You can cut a little more minced garlic when frying eggplant. This way the garlic flavor is more intense. After all are cut, set aside in a bowl. Prepare some more ginger. Also cut it into minced ginger. If you don't like it, you can leave it alone. A little green onion. Cut it in half first, and we cut them into little pieces. Finally, cut into scallions. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a washed tomato. Cut in half first, then slice the tomatoes. Or herb block. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a small bowl. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce. Half a spoonful of balsamic vinegar. Appropriate amount of salt. Add a little sugar to freshen up. Half a spoonful of cornstarch. Finally, add a small half bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasonings inside melt. Stir well and set aside for later use. Next, prepare an electric cake pan or pan. After preheating, brush a layer of cooking oil on it, not too much oil. Then the battered eggplant. Piece by piece in the electric cake pan. Dear friends, You can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Your every comment and retweet is what keeps me going. Thank you for your continued support and encouragement. We fry the eggplant until golden brown. Turn it over again. Finally, fry the eggplant until golden brown on both sides. After frying, clip it out and put it on a plate for later use. In fact, sprinkle a little salt and pepper at the You can eat it directly. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour down all the onion, ginger and garlic and fry until fragrant. Don't open the fire too much here so as not to burn. Add the tomatoes after. Continue to stir fry over medium-low heat. Out the juice in the tomatoes. Sauté it all until fragrant, then add the chopped chili. Keep stirring. Fry the peppers until they die. At this time, we can add the prepared sauce. Come in. After boiling, pour the eggplant in again. Flip with a shovel, so that each slice of eggplant can be stained with the sauce. Just stir fry and collect the juice until the soup inside becomes thick. It's almost there. Sprinkle a little scallion before serving and some white sesame seeds for flavor. Finally, a few simple stir-frying. Just fry the scallions until they die. Such a fresh fragrance is smooth. The delicious eggplant is ready. Then we can put it out of the pot and into the plate. You can enjoy it beautifully. Eggplant does this simple approach. It's nutritious and tender and juicy without oil absorption. If you also like eggplant, just collect it according to this method and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.